Hallo allemaal, mijn Facebook maatjes en familie. Dat is weer Jason en Tony. Ik is in mijn wonderlijke plek Monteke 1. Vandaag ga ik voor jullie voorstellen aan twee jongmannen. Wat voor mij powerful zijn. Ik vraag jullie dat jullie alsjeblieft moeten komen op de video. Like de video en share de video.
2, 3, 4. First verse, and you know it does not get any worse. I got my friends and my pals singing this to us. To wish our voices bring you peace on this earth. Cause in the name of Jesus Christ we were blessed above with the gift of singing the sorrows away. We won't sing until we drive the sorrows away. Please don't cry, the winds of change are blown away. And I know I don't know who you are, but I know we're family. I know it, I know it, I know it. I got my mother, my brother, my sister and lover. I know it, I know it, I know it, I know it. You're probably sitting there on your own, you're probably listening to the song, pumping all over your radio. Suddenly you feel a lot of joy. Joy, sing along, the soul comes in, you don't care, just carry on. You're probably sitting there on your own, probably listening to the song, pumping all over your radio. Suddenly you feel a lot of joy. Oh, I got joy in my heart. And you know it's a kind of feeling followed by a sense of healing. Yeah. I got joy in my heart, I got love in my heart, I got joy in my heart. We are rekas falyafari, falyafari, falyafari. We are rekas falyafari, falyafari, falyafari. Want zonder is ik niks niet, niks niet, niks niet. Wil me je kom red, wil me je kom red. Mijn ziel, justens wel. Ik dank je zelf voor die redding van mijn ziel. En tweedens wel. Ik dank je zelf, want die genade is zo genoeg voor mij. Ik is vol je verrie, bij je is ik veilig. Je is mijn rotsvester, hey, want ik is vol je verrie, vol je verrie, vol je verrie. We are, ik is vol je verrie, vol je verrie, vol je verrie. Want zonder je is ik niks niet, niks niet, niks niet. Wil me je kom red, wil me je kom red, mijn ziel. Dank je.